In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Buffalo Wild Wings gift card. Whether you're treating a friend, saying thanks to a coworker, or just stocking up for your own game day cravings, this quick walkthrough will make the process smooth and stress-free. First, open your browser and head to the official gift card page at buffalowildwings.com/gift-cards. It's always best to start from the official site so you know you're getting the real thing and have access to the latest options. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Buy Now or the option to send an e-gift card. Both will take you into the purchase flow. If you're sending the card by email, choose the e-gift card option. If you want something the recipient can hold, choose the physical card for mail delivery. Next, choose the type that fits your situation. E-gift cards are delivered by email, usually the fastest choice if you need it today or want to send it instantly. Physical cards are mailed, which is great for gifting in person, but allow time for delivery. Either way, you can also buy one for yourself by entering your own email or mailing address. Now select the amount you want. You'll see common choices like $25, $50, or $100. Pick the value that matches your budget and the occasion. If you're planning for a specific meal or event, consider what the recipient might order to choose a helpful amount. After that, enter the recipient details. For an e-gift, you'll provide the recipient's name and email address. For a physical card, you'll enter the mailing address. If it's for you, just use your own contact info. Take a moment to double-check everything so the card arrives without delays. You'll have the option to add a short message. This is optional, but it's a nice touch. Keep it friendly and clear so the recipient knows who it's from and why they're getting it. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Review the summary carefully, including the gift card type, amount, and delivery details. Then enter your payment information on the secure checkout page. Make sure your billing details are accurate to avoid any hiccups. Finally, confirm and complete your purchase. You should see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email receipt. For e-gift cards, the recipient will get an email with their card information. If it doesn't appear, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. For physical cards, watch for the order confirmation and estimated delivery. Keep your order number handy just in case you need support. And that's it. Your gift card is ready to make someone's day.